वैशाली चल.
आले आले.
Vaishali, a bright 14-year-old studying in the 9th standard, lives in the village of Talaude, located in the Khed block of Pune district. Having only one Zilla Parishad school up to the 4th standard, children in the village who want to study further, like Vaishali, normally have to walk for about 6 kilometers to attend the school in the neighboring village of Kohinde from the 5th standard onwards.
जेव्हा माझ्याकडे सायकल नव्हती तेव्हा मला शाळेत पायी पायी यावे लागायचे. खूप थकवा यायचा, अभ्यासाला वेळ भेटत नव्हता, अधूनमधून शाळा बुडायची. सायकल भेटल्यानंतर मी 20 ते 25 मिनिटात शाळेत येऊ शकले. उरलेला वेळ अभ्यासाला दिला आणि अधूनमधून बुडणारे शाळेचे प्रमाण कमी झाले. माझे शिक्षण संपल्यानंतर मला पोलीस इन्स्पेक्टर व्हायचं आहे.
It's been noticed that in rural areas, girls generally stop studying before they have graduated or before they reach high school even. So we decided to give 10 girls cycles from the village because the high school that they go to is quite a distance away and it takes them nearly an hour and a half to walk. So while we were deciding on these underprivileged children, we also came across 2 boys from the Adivasi section who were really underprivileged, and we decided to give 8 girls and 2 boys the cycles. Of course, the results speak for themselves. They have improved attendance, and the teachers in the school tell us that with improved attendance have come better grades for the students as well.
Just as in the case of Vaishali, Tata Capital, through its initiatives, has been quietly transforming lives and fulfilling dreams in Talaude. The mission to adopt this village for its overall development was started in May 2010 under our corporate sustainability wing.
When we drafted the corporate sustainability policy for Tata Capital, we decided to look at 4 areas in which we would focus. The 4 areas being livelihood, health, education, and the environment. We picked these 4 areas after a lot of thought. These are areas in which the Tata Group focuses and areas which would give us a comprehensive agenda on which we would base our corporate sustainability action plan. We picked Talaude because it is a place where all the 4 cornerstones of our corporate sustainability policy can apply. It is a village that needs help in all these 4 areas. It is also a village where the government has done some work, and the work that we do will coexist with what the government does. We also wanted to pick a location where we could actually see the fruits of our labor down the years.
Firstly, we look for projects that are sustainable. Once they're sustainable, we want projects that are scalable, that are replicable, and those that have a certain volunteering element in them.
CASP, an NGO from Pune, is our project partner in this mission. CASP and Tata Capital Limited have come together with the objective of over time transforming Talaude into a model village which would be self-sufficient.
When we did our baseline survey, then socio-economical survey, we found that there are the 4 major areas that we need to work or focus on that particular area. First one is that is health area, then learning, habitat and livelihood. We have bifurcated our activities in these 4 areas and accordingly we have planned our work.
As part of our thrust to improve the quality of education, raincoats, school bags, books, notebooks and study materials were given to 113 needy students. To foster a spirit of learning, teaching aids were also donated to the local primary school. 10 students of Standard 10 were in addition given a set of guides to enable them to face the SSC board exam successfully. Akshay Rohidas Valunj was one of the students who benefited.
या संस्थेने मला 21 अपेक्षित दिल्यामुळे अभ्यास करण्यात गोडी निर्माण झाली आणि प्रश्न उत्तरे कशी सोडवायचे चांगल्या प्रकारे कळाले. त्यामुळे मला 10वीला 76.80% मिळाले. आता मी ऑटोमोबाईल डिप्लोमा करत आहे. पुढे मला ऑटोमोबाईल इंजिनियर व्हायचे स्वप्न आहे.
In Talaude, people are mostly dependent on agriculture for their livelihood. Rain-fed crops are the mainstay of the economy. Hence, priority was given to teach the farmers new techniques to increase the productivity of their crop yield. The Department of Agriculture started conducting Sheti Shala, a non-formal farmers' school in Talaude in November 2011 in response to our appeal for cooperation. The agricultural officers conduct this school once a week. About 25 to 30 farmers participated in the program, where they received information about modern farming techniques.
शाळेमार्फत प्रत्यक्षामध्ये शेतकऱ्यांना प्रशिक्षण दिलं जाते की सुधारित शेती कशी करावी, कोणती अवजारे वापरावीत, त्याचबरोबर सेंद्रिय खताचा जो काय परिणाम होत आहे त्याची अधिक माहिती देऊन सेंद्रिय खताचा वापर जास्तीत जास्त शेत जमिनीमध्ये करून शेतीचे उत्पादन वाढवावे या दृष्टिकोनातून प्रयत्न केला जात आहे. याचा परिणाम म्हणून शेतकऱ्यांच्या पिकामध्ये किंवा शेती पिकामध्ये उत्पादन वाढवून शेतकऱ्यांची आर्थिक उन्नती सुधारण्यासाठी उपयोग होत आहे.
Santosh Shankar Valunj, aged 30 years, and his wife owned 4 acres of land. He was one of the 6 farmers who raised the demo plots of the 4-point method of rice cultivation.
पहिलं आम्ही जुन्या पद्धतीने जे भात लागवड करायचं त्यात खर्च खूप व्हायचा, वेळ खूप जायचा. आता आम्हाला सरांनी सांगितलं 4 सूत्री पद्धतीने खर्च खूप कमी होतो, वेळ कमी जातो आणि उत्पन्न पहिल्यापेक्षा आमचं डबल उत्पन्न वाढलं.
So far we have 2 training programs, and during these training programs we gave them improved seeds as well as the urea briquettes, which has reduced the cost of production of the paddy, and simultaneously it has increased the production also. What we have found that on an average 70% is the increase in the production as compared to that of last year.
Mohan Maruti Valunj, age 44 years, owns 20 acres of land. Farming is the main occupation of the family. Mohan received a financial assistance of 15,000 rupees for creating a farm pond on his land as part of the Watershed Development Initiative. Though initially skeptical, today he is a happy man.
शेततळ्यासाठी जी मदत मिळाली त्यामुळं शेततळ्याचं काम पूर्ण झालेलं आहे आणि ह्या शेततळ्यामुळं जमिनीला ओलावा टिकून राहतो आणि पावसाने ओढ दिल्यामुळं हेच पाणी आम्ही शेततळ्यामधलं ओढ शेतीला वापरू शकतो. परत ओढ दिल्यानंतर दुबार पिकासाठी ह्या पाण्याचा आम्ही उपयोग केला जातो आणि याच्यामुळं आमचं उत्पन्न वाढलं गेलं.
We made first farm pond in the month of May 2010 and the next 2 farm ponds in the month of May 2011. The dimensions of these farm ponds is 20 meter by 20 meter and the average depth is about 8 feet. We have found that in both the seasons the water contents and the water level of this farm pond was definitely very high, and the farmers could use this water during the dry spell in both the monsoons. We have further found that the percolated water has increased the moisture content of the soil around them and become usable for the Rabi crop in the coming season. We intend to create another 4 to 5 ponds at least in the next 1 or 2 years.
Varsha, the first woman sarpanch of the village, believes that these initiatives have had a profound impact in bettering the lives of the people of Talaude.
टाटा कॅपिटल आणि कास मावळ यांच्या संयुक्त विद्यमाने विविध उपक्रमांचे आयोजन करण्यात येत आहे. त्यामध्ये कृषी शाळा, आरोग्य शिबिर व साहित्य वाटप करण्यात आले. त्यामुळे लोकांचे राहणीमान सुधारले, शैक्षणिक प्रगती झाली, आरोग्य सुधारले, उत्पादन क्षमता वाढली.
The emphasis in the near future will be on providing water to the village, improving options for livelihood like dairy and poultry farming, increasing community-based rainwater harvesting initiatives, developing biodiversity surveys, strengthening the self-help groups formed by the women of the village, focusing on health-related issues and building further on our educational initiatives.
We're planning to make Talaude a model village, so we want them to be sustainable before we move on to the next village. Our immediate tasks are providing them with drinking water, which is a basic necessity, which they don't have. Among that, we are also planning livelihood schemes for the farmers, be it livestock development, poultry farming. We've already started on agriculture initiatives with the 4-point method. So we do have a long way to go ahead, and we just started with the first few steps.
Talaude village is one of the many villages in India that needs help to become self-sufficient. Tata Capital's vision through such initiatives is to give villages like Talaude the right means to become self-reliant for a better future. At Tata Capital, we not only strive to do what is right for our customers and stakeholders, but also for the community and society at large.
Our dream is that we push volunteering within Tata Capital. We have a very young workforce, and the workforce is going to grow. We have a workforce with high ideals and people who are willing to spend time and effort in helping on the corporate sustainability front. So we hope to drive volunteering as we go along, where we can get every individual employee of Tata Capital to contribute to a cause of his or her liking, and where Tata Capital is also contributing.
Tata Capital. We only do what's right for you.